Hey guys, welcome to John the Punisher, the Punisher. This is an impromptu video to show you what it's like what trading looks like, because I just placed some sell orders, and I'll explain what that is. So here we have, this is what trading looks like. This is what's going on in real time. Some of you may be used to Coinbase, where it's real simple. Coinbase Pro is a little more more complex, but I like KuCoin. You can do all kinds of stuff with that at KuCoin, lots. So got a lot more variety, more coins and whatnot than Binance. And so this is Bitcoin, and what I'm doing is what some other traders are doing, and this is not financial advice. What you do is your own fucking business. Don't blame me for anything. I'm just showing you what methods are available. So in a bear market, it's not a bear market, but in a crash, what we have here is we got Bitcoin. This is the 15-minute chart. Or no, that's a fucking 8-hour chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So we have Bitcoin. Holy crap, that must be the China news right there. Look at that. Fucking crash. Jeez. So you'll notice after the crash we had consolidation, which is bouncing around in a couple different areas. So it bounced around here and here, roughly. I mean, I'm just drawing this in super quick, but you can see consolidation. It's bouncing around in this area. So what I did, and what some traders are doing, is I bought into Bitcoin when it's down here. Then what I did was I placed a buy order. What that means is, and this is, on trading exchanges, is I put an order to, a sell order. Sorry, it's late. I put a sell order in at 39,000, 40,000, and 41,000. That's called laddering out, and you can do it. I'm going to do it the opposite way. I'm going to place buy orders at lower levels and buy in when it's down again. That's a good, safe way to not miss out on a big price, a good price increase. And by laddering like that, you're not throwing all your eggs in one basket to sell it high, because maybe it'll go, beyond 39,000. That's why I put 40 and 41. So I'm hoping it gets into that area, and it could go to 47 all of a sudden, but I'll be sleeping and I'm not going to see that shit. So I put some sell orders. So I bought in low, the golden rule: buy low, sell high. Guys, fucking, that is it. Buy low and sell high. That's how the rich people are rich, man. So I bought in low, and I put in my buy orders or sell orders, which you just do here, sell, and then I put the price in, 40,000, put how much of your crypto you want to do. I did 25% at 39,000. I did a total of 50% total at 40,000, and then another 25% at 41. So I'm laddering out. And like I said, once this, if it reaches up there and my orders get placed, then I'm going to place a buy order, not a sell order. I'm going to place a buy order to buy back in, and I'm going to place that price lower than what it is, obviously. So this is what trading looks like, guys. These are all the green are people placing. These are buy orders, and then the red is orders to sell and the values at which they've set it at. So this is what real trading looks like, and this is why prices go up and down, because if you get a big spike, people are coming in and they're like, doing a limit order, which limit means you set the price of what your buy or sell is. So people will do like limit order, and then real quick put it a little bit higher, but it goes up. In the meantime, from them placing that, it goes up beyond that, and so it's like, damn it. And that's when panicking happens too. Holy crap, that's it's just crazy. You're like entering all in. You can do a market order. Market orders means it sells it for you at a price that it's around the range that you set. It could have as like slippage, which is a small percentage that you could sell it at 41,000 for a market order, but it actually gets sold at like 39,203 or something like that. So I like to do the limit orders where I place the price. So This is what it's like, guys. People are buying and selling just like that. That's how crypto is. The money that's in crypto is just exchanging hands. I explained this in a previous video. Check it out because it's just it's exchanging hands. So when people make money, it's because other people lost money. So if you go against the golden rule and you sell when it's really low, you just gave away your money that you lost to people who are making it. So always just hold it when it's really low, especially after a big crash like this. Just hold on to it. Wait for it to go back up. Who knows when the fuck that's going to be? No one can predict it. If somebody predicts it, they're full of shit. Just like when people say, Doge to $5, like, off of what? You're just saying that. You're just typing it. It doesn't mean that's going to happen, and there's no information or basis behind it. It's just some fucking idiot typing in Doge to $10. And then people see that, and they're like, oh man, yeah, all the newbies. Oh God, I'm going to get into that. And then all, people who are new to crypto, it sees it rocketing, skyrocketing. They're like, the fear of missing out, FOMO, FOMO. They buy in, and because they're hanging out only on message boards or Twitter where people are saying complete bullshit. Nobody can predict this. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I'm so angry. Nobody can predict fucking crypto. Nobody predicted this gigantic ass crash. Check out a previous video too that explains where the market's at. It's got a really good chart analysis that I made a week ago, and it is holding up very nicely. So it'll offer you kind of a basis point to look at things. My computer sucks. So, okay, guys. So I hope that kind of helped out a little bit to understand what trading on an exchange really looks like. It looks like this. Pretty fucking fancy, isn't it? And there's other stuff like margin trading and futures trading, which I'll do a video on sometime. But margin trading is where you buy or you borrow money and then you bet on it going higher or lower. And if you lose and you hit a certain point, depending on how much you invest at a certain price, you lose everything. You're liquidated. That's why the market went down so much more, is because you get liquidation prices hit that investors never thought they'd see. They thought they were totally safe. All right, I'm setting my liquidation price. I'm investing enough to where it's Bitcoin's at 38,000. A lot of people did that, and then holy shit, some people had it like 33,000, and then boom, just like that, it dumped everything, and that's why you see the giant spikes, the giant crashes. So just follow the golden rule, guys. Buy low, sell high, never buy high, never sell low. Hold it if it's low. All right, good luck, guys. Peace.